two Linux distros, two very different personalities, Nobara and Pop OS. One's tuned for gaming and streaming and the other is built for productivity and creators. So which one is right for you? Let's find out. Nobara takes Fedora and reimagines it for gamers. Created by Proton GE developer. It comes with preloaded with NVIDIA drivers, Media Cortex, OBS and Steam. All this stuff you would normally spend hours configuring. Out of the box, it's ready to play, stream and create. It's fast, modern and performance focused. The only catch, it's heavily modified Fedora, so updates can occasionally cause hiccup. While Pop OS from the System 76 plays in a different lane. It's about polish and productivity. With its auto-tiling window manager, excellent GPU support and clean interface, it's perfect for developers, power users and anyone who values an efficient workflow. It's stable, initiative and update regularly, offering a smooth desktop experience with minimal fuzz. So, which one should you choose? Pick Nobara if you are a gamer, streamer or content creator who wants everything ready on one day. On the other hand, pick Pop OS if you need a stable, productivity-focused distro that makes multitasking and daily work seamless. At the end of the day, Nobara is the gaming powerhouse while Pop OS is the productivity king. The better choice depends on how you use your machine. Let me know in the comments which one you are planning to use.